Hey Class V parents, this is Miss Katie. I'm going to show you the setup for our next experiment that we're going to do. Everything you should have in your house most likely, but in case you don't, you can easily get it all from the Dollar Tree. This isn't from the Dollar Tree, but this is. I picked it up the other day. And then you just need food coloring, baking soda, and vinegar, and then they have these cute little squirt bottles that were in a 2-pack, so I picked up one of those just so it was easier. You can use condiment bottles, you can use anything. You can find little eyedroppers if you have little droppers, but these are what we're going to use today. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take baking soda, and I'm just going to open it up. And I'm going to do it 2 different ways. So this first one I'm going to take and I'm just going to dump baking soda in it. Now for this one, I'm going to go ahead and pour the vinegar in the bottle. This one, my youngest will probably do, and he'll just squirt colored vinegar into the baking soda to see what happens. So I'm just going to take it, put in a little bit. I want it to have a good color. I can always add more. I'm going to take my vinegar. If you had a funnel, this would probably be a good time to use it. I just have this big bottle, so I'm just going to do it very carefully and just pour it in. There you go. Super simple, super easy. I'm just going to put the lid back on. And that one is ready to go for him. This one's a little bit more complex. I'll say it's good for older kids. Let's get this back so you can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put food coloring in first. So I'm going to do blue in this one. I'll do green in this one. Sorry guys, it is super windy. I don't know if that's going to affect the video, but we're just doing it outside to get outside. There's yellow. Here's purple. Pink. Whoops. And then we'll do, this came from a pastel food coloring, so maybe it's a different color blue. And we'll just do some more blue in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the baking powder and I'm just going to cover up the food coloring. You want to make sure the food coloring is completely covered up so they can't see what color it is, which will be kind of hard in this one because it kind of splattered. All right. And then I'm just going to take my other little dropper and pour vinegar in it. Whoops. I'm going to put the lid on. It's probably going to run over just a bit. And there you go. That is all you need, and the kids go nuts, as you'll see when I do this in a minute with my kiddos to show you. They love this. This is one of our favorite things to do. So you might not want to show your kids my video until after you've done it with yours, but this is just a super fun activity. They love it, and your kids will go bonkers on it. And the greatest thing with this one is after they've done it, you can dump out the extra vinegar and do a cup for a bowl, or I usually do it in a big tub, but all my tubs are currently occupied. but you just dump out the overflow and they can just keep going. And with this one, you can just sprinkle some baking powder or baking soda on top, and you're right back to go. So I hope y'all enjoy this, and I will see you soon.